It's Dia de los Muertos, so let's make some Pan de Muertos. When you're melting the butter, make sure that the pan isn't so hot that it burns or curdles the butter. If you do, you'll end up with butter that is more like rotten milk than melted butter. It's extremely important that the water you add is at the correct temperature. If it's too hot, you'll kill the yeast. If it's too cold, it won't activate. Use the amount of yeast that is specified, otherwise it won't rise correctly. We want the dough to be soft, not too sticky and not too dry. It shouldn't stick to anything, but it should still be moist. If you put too much flour in it, you can add water in to balance it out. But don't rush into it because as you knead, the dough will absorb a surprising amount of flour. Knead until the consistency stops changing and it's at the right stickiness level. Now we will make a lovely orange glaze to pour over our bread.